break?
It's streaming down.
All right. Yeah, about 3.5, 4. I'll see the release. Re-alive it, like get his tail and shake it in the water a little bit. Oh yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Back big boy.
There we go. Oh.
Oh yeah.
All right. Good catch. Good catch.
We're going to fish somewhere we're not supposed to. And hold it. And hopefully we don't get caught. We're some retards, but it said no to trespassing. I'm dyslexic. I don't know what that means. So okay. Anyone already in this person's bait? Hopefully we catch more. Alright, Keegan got one. Alright, release it. Release it. There we go.